Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Sanvi Vlogs. Today let us know how to do DIY of sunflower fancy dress costume for kids competition. First of all, take a cardboard sheet and cut it in a circular shape. That I have used the dinner plate or a thali plate to give a shape. And then according to your kid's face size, you just have a cut inside. Now the base is ready for the sunflower making. Now let us move on to the leaves. The same thing, in a cardboard sheet, you have to draw the diagram of a leaf and cut it accordingly. Now let us move on to the sunflower petals part. First of all, take a thick yellow color chart paper instead of thin one. Draw petals in different shapes and sizes and cut it down. Now cut in between to give a perfect shape of petals using staple. A small tip I would like to give you. The thick yellow color sheet, the glue will not be able to fix easily. So I have used the staple pins. Now I had 4 different shapes of petals. From bigger to smaller. Now take the base of the sunflower. Stick the green color sheet as I shown in the video. Or else, before while cutting the base, you can stick the whole green sheet and cut the inside part of the base according to your vase size. Means according to your vase face size. Now the base is ready for the sunflower making. Now take the bigger petals first and fix in a circular shape. While fixing first, it feels bit difficulty, but after it will feel very easy. But it looks very beautiful. I have fixed the bigger petals in 2 layers and then I have reduced the sizes. See how it looks? One layer is completed. Now the second layer with the same big petals. Now I have taken the second size of the petals and I'm fixing in the same manner as before. Instead of thick sheet, you have to use a thin cardboard sheet as a base because when we staple, the pins will hold the sheet easily. Otherwise, the petals will come out or it get removed from the base. See, now the third layer got completed. Now get ready for fourth layer. Very small petals. See, after completion of the fourth layer, how it looks? It looks very beautiful. Now we'll do a seeds using black color sheet. But I have taken one grey and one black color to make a seed. After fixing that black color sheet, cut down all extra one. The same manner you have to fix the grey sheet in the upper portion. Now the sunflower is completed. It looks very nice, very beautiful. Now let's move on to the leaves part. Before what you have taken the cardboard sheet, right? Cardboard leaves. So same leaves you have to take on the green chart paper and draw accordingly and cut it down. Same thing you have to make the two leaves. Fix the green color sheet on the cardboard by using glue. And then you have to give the shades by using the crayons or colors, watercolors. In between you have to give the leaf stem. Finally, a beautiful sunflower costume is ready for your ward. If you still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Do enjoy. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.